get them up, get them up, get them up, get them up, get up. It's too much, it's too much. Hey. There's girls on the floor, there's girls on the floor. Get up, get up, get up, get up, get up, get up, get up. Get them up, get them up, get them up. Come on. Hey, stand back and let this ladies on the floor, man. Hey. If you're a dude, help the birds or get the fuck out of the way. That's what I'm saying. Alright? We love the ladies, we love the ladies. Turn it back on, turn it back on. You butter. Hey, this is gonna cost me so much fucking money, but I'm gonna do it anyway. You owe me one. Come on. Let's go fucking bunkers. Let's go fucking bunkers. Come on. Watch it. Let's go fucking. Let's go fucking. Okay then, people. One verse, that's what you're getting. I don't want them to die on it. Okay then. Yo, I wake up every day is a daydream. Everything in my life ain't what it seems. I wake up just to go back to sleep. I got no shadow, but I've been too deep. I know I care about air, sex and violence. Every baseline is some kind of silence. Everybody says that I can't get quick, but I didn't start to give me a slip. Come on, some people think I'm broken, but I just think I'm free. Man, I'm just living my life, there's nothing crazy about me. Some people pay for flows, I get back for free. There's nothing crazy about me. Yo, make sure you fucking hold me. Don't let me drop down there. Don't let me fall. Stand up, stand up. Let's go. Yo, like I said, I've gone too far already. Hey, thanks for coming out here, man. Peace and love, yeah? Take care of yourselves.